Welcome back. 100 points on the Nifty as we speak, 250 points on the mid-cap index as well. So let's talk about a special segment then, Value Plus. Sonia joins in, of course, tracking the auto. Sonia, yesterday you spoke about one of the auto ancillary companies, Asahi. You have a lot more today.
You know, it's an ongoing theme this week where all the auto ancillary stocks, most of them rather, are hitting fresh 52-week highs. So I thought I'll just put all of it together. If you look at the companies, you spoke about Asahi India. As we know, this is a glass and window manufacturer. It's been getting high demand from OEMs, and that stock is at a fresh 52-week high. You have Precol, which is a technological solutions company. That is at a fresh 52-week high. Rajratan Wires, which is a leading tire bead manufacturer. Bead wire manufacturer, sorry, they have 45% market share, doing very well. Lumax Autotech manufactures gear shifters, emission systems, fresh 52-week high there. Mahindra CIE, as we know, is a multi-technology auto component supplier. And then you have Shanti Gears that we recently spoke about, a gear manufacturer. All these stocks at fresh highs. Now, there's also so much demand that there is fresh capacity being put on board by many of the companies. So Uno Minda told us earlier in the day that they are investing up to 300 crores to expand their four-wheeler alloy capacity. And then you have something like Rajratan Wires that will be investing 370 crores. And there's a new plant in Chennai that's coming on stream as well. Also, most of these companies have been doing very well in terms of earnings. So Shanti Gears, for example, they had a revenue growth of almost 50-odd%. The order book went up 25% in just one quarter. Asahi India had a revenue growth of 53%, and they have now market share of 74% in the passenger vehicle, glass market. And finally, Lumax Autotech, revenue growth of 62% and EBITDA up 160%. So this is a space that has been doing exceptionally well. In fact, we spoke with Sunil Bohra, who is the Group Chief Financial Officer at Uno Minda, about their plans to expand and put fresh capex on board. Listen into what he had to say.
This is actually the third expansion in last 12 to 18 months, which we are going ahead with. Because the application ratio of the alloy wheels to steel wheel has continuously been increasing. And we believe that still there is a huge potential for further growth. So there is definitely going to be a significant demand potential even in future, where the application ratio improves. Even from customer perspective, people are preferring alloy wheel cars, or maybe people are trying to get the alloy wheels retrofitted when they buy the car from the showroom or in the aftermarket. And with this, our alloy wheel capacity for four-wheeler will be something around 3.5 million wheels per year. At the beginning of the year, we did give a guidance for the full year EBITDA margin range of 11 to 12%. So with 10.4 in Q1, definitely we need to better on that so that we get average of 11 to 12, and we are committed still on to maintain that EBITDA margin guidance for the full year.
Okay, Aniket.